name is Tabora Poya, Standard Newspaper. And then Professor Pal also made a point where he said, if I had it well, that the development or the commitment of the IEC was consistent. I want to understand, if you say they are not being consistent, how would that see this actualization when the body that is supposed to actualize this thing is not that committed?
We've been engaged with the IEC on actualizing diaspora voting and representation since the middle part of 2018, I think. The fact that we haven't voted is self-evident of the failure of the process to conclude. The fact that we have not voted is self-evident that there was no success in the process. But the commitment is true and consistent. The IEC published in 2020 their calendar of when they will register voters across the country, all the regions. And a date was slotted for the 1st to the 31st of July 2021 for the diaspora to be voted. In May of 2021, I think it was the 1st of May, or around that time, the Chief Electoral Officer was asked by media members whether really the diaspora would vote. And he reaffirmed that they would vote. By the end of the month of May, that's when the IEC, 2021, that's when the IEC announced that it's no longer practically possible. The minister has partly explained what that practical difficulty was. That is this bit that the diaspora has, like any other citizen, need to be registered in a constituency. For some of us, we were saying that that's not a problem because everyone in the diaspora comes from a constituency in the Gambia, and so we can be registered in that. I'm from Latrikula, Yeriganya, Serekula, my National Assembly member is sitting here. So I would have been registered in that constituency. Anyway, that did not fly or was not ordered, it didn't happen. So that's why in the solution, as the minister referred to, the demarcation of the constituency happens. The failure overall for us to vote, ultimately, like the success, it's the IEC, because it's the election authority. But I remind you that it is also the boundary authority. So it is its job to create this constituency. So for us, our belief in that they would deliver is as strong as it has been. The fact that belief is strengthened by the fact that we failed. So failing again is unthinkable. Thank you.